Okay, let's welcome again to another episode of Answering MMC 2017 Math Competition Grade 10 Division. So we are now on the second question, or the average round, which is all about trigonometry, or I think this is also in geometry. So the legs of a right triangle are 2 and 2 square root of 2 centimeters long. What is the radius of the circle that circumscribe the triangle? Okay, the word circumscribe meaning to say the polygon should be, its vertices should be on the circumference of the circle. So as we can see, we have the polygon, which is the triangle here. This is our vertices. Okay, here. So those are the vertices of our triangle. So it says that we have the measure 2, and then the other one is 2 square root of 2. So now, what are we going to do? So since this is a right triangle, we can use Pythagorean theorem. So let's use Pythagorean theorem. So in the Pythagorean theorem, it states that the longest side, which is opposite 90 degrees, this one, that's our hypotenuse, which is denoted as C, and we can denote this one as our A, and we can denote this one as our B. So in this case, in the Pythagorean theorem, it says that the square of the longest side should be equal to the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides. Alright. Now, so in this case, we're gonna be substituting all the values that we have present in the given illustration that we have. So c squared will be equal to, our value of A is 2 square, plus the value of B is 2 square root of 2, so we have to substitute that, and then we square it. And then therefore, we have c squared is equal to 4 plus, then we can eliminate this, and then we have to 2 square, this one here, 2 square is 4 times 2, which is 8. Now, we have c squared is equal to 12. Now, after that, we take the square root on both sides so that we can remove the exponent here. So now our value of c will be 2 square root of 3. So now, in this case, since the value of c is 2 square root of 3, what will be our radius? So we're asking the radius of the circle. So since our longest side, or the our longest side here, this is our longest side, which is the diameter. So that's the longest chord. The longest chord is the diameter. Okay, we will be dividing it, since the radius is just half of the diameter of a triangle. Okay, now, so in this case, we have d over 2, which is equal to our radius. Now, or r is equal to d over 2. In this case, we have r is equal to, our c is also the diameter, which is 2 square root of 3 divided by 2. We can cancel that out. So therefore, our final answer is square root of 3 centimeters. So this is our final answer. And once again, we are done with this problem. Okay? Hope you learned something, guys. Follow on the next video.